sa lahat, happy birthday to you. Maligayang kaarawan po sa inyong dalawa, Mami Alpha and Daddy Alpha ng NFRS. Mahal po namin kayo, and I wish palagi is both of you are best. Yun lang, more birthdays to come. Happy birthday.
I just want to say happy birthday to the two of you, Mommy and Daddy Alpha. I wish you all the best. More birthdays to come. Be in good health always. Keep safe. And enjoy your special day. Happy birthday.
Wishing a very happy birthday to our beloved Mommy and Daddy of the group. Hope you both have a wonderful day filled with love, happiness, and all the good things in life. Here's to many more years of friendship, laughter, and support. Again, happy birthday to you both. Mwah!
Happy birthday po Ate Alpha and Kuya Alpha.
Wait lang! Ang naman kumakain eh.
Happy birthday po Ate Alpha and Kuya Alpha. Enjoy your day po and more blessings to come. Happy birthday po. Mwah! Mwah! Thank you.
Happy birthday Daddy A and Mommy A. I just want to say that you are MY Sunshine, MY only sunshine. A iba pala yun shine. Shine. Like a brilliant star, A iba pala ulit yun. Kidding aside, I just want to say I am happy na nakilala ko kayo and proud ako na kayo lang parents ko here sa Weplay. Ingat po kayo palagi mua. See you soon.
Happy birthday Mamila and Daddy La Alpha. I hope you guys have a great day. Love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday Lola tas Lolo ko. I hope you guys are having a best birthday today and God bless you po. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng itinulong nyo sa pamilya namin kahit na butas-butas na po kami. Ayun lang. Sana po magtagal po kayo sa pagmamahalan yung dalawa. And maraming salamat po. Yun na lang. Thank you. Bye-bye Mama. Happy birthday ulit.
Hi Mother and Father. Happy birthday po sa inyong dalawa. Ang masasabi ko lang po is alagaan niyo po sarili ninyo and enjoy your day. Miss na namin po kayo. Balik na kayo. Ay, by the way, pahingi po siyang hi. Happy birthday.
Hello. Okay. Hi, Mommy and Daddy. Happy birthday to both of you. Sana maging happy kayo sa magiging celebration ng ngayon birthday nyo. Parehas. And sana yung mga nagiging problem nyo or struggle, lalo na sa relationship nyo both and Mommy and Daddy, sana kayanin nyo or tatagan nyo pa kasi usually itong problem or struggle is pagsubok lang to ni Lord para mas lalong tumibay yung relationship na. Sana, ayun, maging masaya kayo sa everyday nga, yung mga birthday niya. Yan. Okay. Yun lang, sana enjoy your birthday, both of you. Ingat palagi. Happy birthday again. Bye-bye. I hope banding together pala.
Happy birthday, Tita and Tito Alpha. We are not that close, but we are thankful and happy that you are part of our family and you became the mother of NFRS. I wish you all the best, stay strong, and I hope you always choose to be happy. That's all.
Happiest birthday, my virtual parents. Even though we met in a virtual world, my love for both of you is real. To my one and only Mommy Alpha, you've been my source of support and wisdom here. I'm always grateful for your advice and guidance. I love sharing thoughts and experiences with you, Ma, kasi I'm learning whenever I talk to you. Stay sweet, have more patience K Dottie at SAMGA Anak Mong May Sari Saraling Mundo hahaha. I am lucky to have you as my mommy in this lifetime. To my brave but sweet daddy Bosse, you're one of the people I look up to here because I love how you handle mommy and us MGA Pawe and young Anna. You're my forever Lodi cakes, die. Again, happy birthday, mommy and daddy. May your year ahead be filled with countless blessings and lots of money. I love you both so much. See you soon.
Ayun, hi sa mami ko maganda and sa daddy kong pogi. I just want to say happy birthday po. Wishing you both a day full of love, joy, and many more beautiful memories together. At huwag na po laging mag-away. Magmahalan lang kayong dalawa. Ano ba? Hindi, ayun. Thank you po for everything. Thank you kasi palagi kayong andyan para sa amin ng mga anak nyo dito sa WePlay and sobra po namin na-appreciate yun. Kasi tuwing may problem po kami, andyan po kayo palagi. Hindi nyo po kami hinahayaan. Ayun, sobrang love po namin kayo. Again, happy birthday po. Enjoy your day and always take care. I miss you and I love you both. Mama, mwah! Hi, Mommy and Daddy. Happy birthday. I just want to say thank you so much for your love and support and for being so considerate and understanding to us sa pagtatama at pag-uunawa at pagpupuna po ng mga mali namin. Thank you. And I hope na mas talong palawakan niyo po pa po ang pag-uunawa sa isa't isa. Habaan pa po ang pasensya and good health po sa inyong dalawa. Wishing you both a day filled with happiness and all the good things you deserve. Mag-iingat po kayo palagi. Lagi niyo pong tatandaan na mahal po namin kayo. I love you both so much. Mwah!
First of all, happy birthday, Mami. Siguro habang pinapanood mo to, nagtatampo ka na kasi di ka namin binati. Siguro mas kisa sa amin walang bumati sa'yo ngayon. Kasi gusto ka namin i-surprise and isabay na sa birthday ni Daddy. Happy birthday, Mami and Daddy. And ayan, sana mas tumagal pa kayong dalawa and iwasan mo ang pag-aaway. Ayun lang and sana masaya kayo ngayong araw. Balik na kayo, miss na namin kayo sana. Nefarious. I love you both.